Hello everyone, we would now like to introduce to you the first skill which is called the four-grid reference. The four-grid reference consists of the eastings, which is 12, 13 or 14, and the northings, which is 28, 29 or 30, as indicated in your map. So how do you do four-grid reference? First, we have to identify which place we would like to locate. So for example, in this question, it requires you to locate Ming Court as indicated in yellow. To continue your four-grid reference, you will have to identify the bottom left corner of the square. So for example, in Ming Court, the bottom left corner of the square will be indicated here. Similarly, if I were to indicate the location of Paradise Court in green, the bottom left corner of Paradise Court square would be here, indicated in green. One last example, if I were to indicate the location of Kenton Estate indicated in purple, the bottom left corner of the square would be indicated here. So what numbers do I use for my four-grid reference for all the locations that I've selected? For Ming Court, as you can see, the location is here. And I have already indicated my bottom left corner of the square. So I simply guide myself down for the eastings, which is 13, and I guide myself towards the left, which is 29. Similarly, for Paradise Court, I will guide myself to 13, and I will guide myself towards the left, which is 28. Last but not least, for Kenton Estate, from the corner, I will guide myself down to 12, and for the northings, I will guide myself to 29.